have a quick discussion on understanding the difference between validity versus reliability. So research quality depends on two core concepts, and those two core concepts are validity and reliability. Of course, these elements ensure the accuracy and consistency of research results. So let's first take a look at validity. So validity refers to how accurately a research study measures what it is intending to measure. So in other words, a study is valid if the results truly reflect the concept or variable being studied. For example, if a survey is designed to assess a student's stress level but ends up measuring their general mood instead, the study then lacks validity. Next, we will move on to reliability, which refers to the consistency of stability of the measurement over time. A reliable instrument yields the same results under consistent conditions. For instance, if a test measuring a math ability to give drastically different results when administered to the same group twice in a short period of time, of course with no change in actual skill, it will be considered unreliable. So when we think about these two concepts, they are critical in quantitative research because they determine the trustworthiness and usefulness of the results. Without validity, findings may not reflect reality, and without reliability, results may vary randomly, making it difficult to draw conclusions or replicate the study. So, and to ensure validity and reliability in research, a researcher can do the following. For, of course, validity, a researcher can use established instruments that have been tested in prior studies, pilot tests the survey or instrument to identify flaws or unclear situations. Also, they can use standardized tests, which will help define clear operational variables and also ensure representative sampling for external validity. Ensuring reliability, a researcher can do the following to ensure: by standardized administration procedures. They can use statistical methods to assess internal consistency and re-administer tools under consistent conditions for tests or retest reliability. So, to ensure that we understand the difference between validity and reliability, it's important to maintain both by strengthening the overall quality of the research and the confidence others can place in the findings. So this is very important to understand the difference between both. So here are some takeaways that I've learned the difference between validity and reliability. Validity equals accuracy, reliability equals consistency. Both are essential for credible, useful, quantitative research, but however, together they can enhance the confidence in the findings. Thank you.